Go
Thank you.
ahead.
Thank you. Good evening, everybody. Ellargu namaskara. A warm welcome to each and everybody for the CLAP program 2021. Uh, and it is one of the first initiative of Rotary Bangalore Abilities for the specially abled persons. So this is one of the wonderful opportunity that we are getting a wholehearted support from the district. And I first of all take privilege to welcome our district secretary general Kempegowda Nadu. Srinivas Murthy sir is here. Even with his busy schedule, he is with us and he is supporting us for this wonderful program. And he is actually, helped a lot to form our club and to do the charter and lot of things. Thank you so much. Since then till now, he is assisting like anything. Thank you so much, sir. Welcome to you. And I also welcome Dr. Radha Krishna PM sir, Director, District Vocational Services, because of his support and he has, taken a risk and he has taken a effort to get the permission from the district support skill development committee district support he has given for us. And thank you so much for all your support and all the preparations, and he assured us he will be helping us throughout this program. Thank you, sir. And I also welcome RTN Kishore Jagirdar sir, Chairman, Skill Development Committee 3190 RID. Thank you very much, sir. Your presence is very valuable for us. Because of you, we are able to, function effectively, and your support is very, very essential for us throughout this program. And I also welcome all our Skyrocker co-presidents, President of Raja Rajeshwari Nagar, Raghavendra Inamdar sir, Secretary, Vocational Services person, Director Prashant sir. He was also, assisting us in so many things, and all the members of Raja Rajeshwari Nagar, and presidents of Platinum City Shobha Madam, Dr. Shobha Madam. We are doing our third joint program now, and it is very supportive to do many more activities. And the entire team of Platinum City, I welcome all of you, Secretary, Vocational Service Director, and the entire team. I also welcome the Skyrocker, one more friend, Mohan sir from Elanka Rotary, Elanka Bangalore, and the secretary and everybody. Mohan sir said today throughout this program he will be helping us. And I also welcome our mentors, Naveen Karyappa sir, Zarir sir, and Devdasan sir, who are our past TGs. They were supporting like anything for us. And I also welcome all the Rotarians, family, friends, and everybody. I also welcome all the RBA members, our occasional services team led by Justine, Priya, Hema, Raghavendra. Everybody was working a lot to make this event a great success. I welcome all the 70 participants. Because of you, this program is happening. And I also welcome each and everybody who are present here in this August gathering today in the Zoom platform. So actually, the main purpose of doing this CLAP program is actually to impart knowledge, skills, abilities, and to perform better for the students. So I remember here, so my dream actually is to establish a training center exclusively for disabled persons from Rotary. So that is why I need a district and everybody's support, all the club support. So CLAP is basically communication, leadership, abilities, and personality development program. And I remember here the words of Ellen Keller, who said the persons with disabilities need to be given an opportunity for the successful happiness. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah. To impart knowledge, education, training, and to give light from the darkness. And I request all of you to enjoy this program, make use of this program. When any clarifications, any doubts are there, our people will solve it for you. And whatever is necessary for you, everything you can discuss in our group. So program will Priya will explain to you more about this in the later time. And once again, I welcome each and everybody for participating in this wonderful program. So looking forward to be with you together every time. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಭಾಷಣವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ರವರಿಗೆ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ.
Thank you.
Our next item is announcement by secretary. I request Secretary Rotary Bangalore Abilities to go ahead with the announcements. Over to Secretary Rotary Bangalore Abilities. Thank you.
ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅರವಿಂದ್.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಆಲ್. ಸೊ ಈ ತಿಂಗಳು ನಾವು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ತಿಂಗಳ 9ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿನಿಂದ ನಾವು ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದಾದ ನಂತರ ನಾವು ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 15ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಗೌರಿಬಿದನೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹಲ್ಸೂರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ರೋಟರಿ ವರಾಯನ್ ಮಾಲ್ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಯಾಪ್ಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದಾದ ನಂತರ ನಾವು ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 16ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಒಂದು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದು ಆರ್ಗನ್ ಡೊನೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತ 5 ಕ್ಲಬ್ ನಗರ್, ರೋಟರಿ ನಗರಬಾವಿ, ರೋಟರಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರಣ್ಯಪುರ ಹಾಗೂ ರೋಟರಿ KGF ಇಷ್ಟು ಜನ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಕೈ ಜೋಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ನಾವು ಅತಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಈ ತಿಂಗಳು ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಕಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಕಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಇರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಗ್ಲೌಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಿಟ್ ನಾವು ಈ ಆಶಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ BBMP ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಲೇಬರರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ಕಿಟ್ಗೆ 200 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗಳು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೀನಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಕಿಟ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧ್ಯನೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ನೀವು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ತಲುಪೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈ ಜೋಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Arvind, when you have announced, no, that cost was not clear.
ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೀವು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಅರವಿಂದ್.
Korean.
ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಕಿಟ್ನ ಬೆಲೆ 500 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗಳಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧ್ಯನೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಿಟ್ಟನ್ನ ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಅವರೇ. ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಐಟಮ್ announcement by Rotary Rajarajeshwari Nagar. I request the Secretary Rotary Rajarajeshwari Nagar for his announcements. Thank you.
Yeah, the secretary may please announce. It is unmuted.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಾ ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಆಯ್ತು. ಗುಲಾಬ್ ಜಾಮೂನ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಾ.
Rotary Rajarajeshwari Centennial Secretary, please. Okay, I've unmuted. I think you can try all. Please try now.
Otherwise, they can.
Yeah, Vagnita sir, you unmute and speak, sir.
हेलो हेमा मैडम।
Yes.
मैम मैं ये कह रहा था, आई एम जस्ट सेइंग दैट काइंडली लाइक यू ट्राई टू स्पीक इंग्लिश बिकॉज आई एम नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कन्नड़ा.
Okay.
Today's
Sessions will be in
inauguration.
English only. This is inauguration only. Sessions will be in English only. Okay.
या ओके मैम.
Don't worry.
I think he's not able to unmute. You can take later on.
Yeah.
Okay. Next Chandru.
RR Nagar secretary idara.
Idare, but he's not able to unmute ante. So we'll try after some time.
What is he teaching?
Nothing. Somebody is not able to unmute and he's telling.
Ma'am is not able to understand.
Trying to.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೆ ಜಸ್ಟಿನ್.
ಅದೇ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು.
ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಿ.
ನೀವೇ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
ಹಾ ಸಿಕ್ತು.
Okay, please.
Okay, you can.
Justin.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Subramani here.
Hi.
Yeah, good evening, sir. Hello.
Good evening.
What time is the session?
Close Pandey.
Yeah.
Other close Pandey. You
Already
cannot
started,
hold
sir.
places. ಇದು ಬೇಡ.
Continue, sir.
ಇವಾಗ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಶಿವಲಿಂಗಪ್ಪ.
ಒಂದು ಹಾಟ್ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಫೋಟೋಲೇನಿ. Won't come.
Sir,
ಮಾತಾಡಿ. Secretary Rajarajeshwari Nagar, please speak.
Sir, you are not able to speak. Okay,
Call
sir.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರೋ
Yeah,
ಮಧ್ಯೆ
now I
ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ
got it. This
Yeah,
is
please speak, sir.
Sidhu
Please speak.
Magappa,
Yeah.
Secretary from Rajarajeshwari Nagar Centennial. Good evening, everyone. Announcement from our side is we have been having meeting every week without fail. We meet on Saturday evening and all meetings are happening online. And we had one club meeting and then installation and then family meeting and another club meeting. So these are the different themes we had. And yesterday, that was 4 meetings in July, and August we had first meeting yesterday. It was knowing about legacy of our club. So it was presented by one of the charter member and past president. He gave us information about our club, how it started, who did what, and what were challenges, what were achievements, all those things. So that was a new theme which we introduced yesterday. And today we had a event for giving a vocational excellence award to joint commissioner who has retired on 31st of July for the work which we did in COVID time for distributing food kits. So that was the event we did, and we have planned again further meetings every week. Like every Saturday we have a meeting with different themes which is planned, and that's been going very well. That's it from me. Thank you for giving this opportunity to announce about our club.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir.
Yeah, Chandru, next.
I request Secretary Rotary Platinum City for announcements. Over to Rotary Platinum City Secretary. Thank you.
Rupa madam, please.
Rupa madam.
It is unmuted. Please go on.
Rupashri, unmute ಮಾಡಿ Justin.
Hold.
Okay. Yes, madam. Go ahead.
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ.
I think it's taking time.
Yeah.
Okay. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅವಾಗ.
ಅದೇ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ.
ರೈಟ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ರೂಪಶ್ರೀ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಇವಾಗ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ. ಇವತ್ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ತಾನೇ ರೋಟರಿ ಅಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ನಾವು ಅವಾಯ್ಡಬಲ್ ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಸರ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ನೀವು ನಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮೆನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಲ್ ಹೈಜೀನ್ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ ನಿಶಾ ಅವರು ಟ್ರೈನ್ ದ ಟ್ರೈನರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅದು ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶೋಭಾ ಅವರು ನೆನ್ನೆ ಒಂದು ಟಾಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ರು, ಯಾವ ಆಹಾರ ಸೇವಿಸಬೇಕು ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಜಸ್ಟಿನ್ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಎಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಅಂಡ್ ಬುಧವಾರ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ನ್ಯೂ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದು ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ತರ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ನ್ಯೂ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಗ್ರಾಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ಟಾಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವಯಸ್ಸಾದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಾವು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅದು ಸ್ವಾಭಿಮಾನ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅದೊಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3ನೇ ವಾರ ಈ ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ದು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೀಟ್. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ನಂದಾಯ್ತು, ಇವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ನೀವು ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್
2 8 7
ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿನ್ ಯಾರದು ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, yeah, continue.
The next announcement from Rotary Yelahanka. I request Secretary Rotary Yelahanka for announcements. Over Secretary Rotary Yelahanka. Thank you.
Namaskara. Good evening, everybody. So I am Somshekhar, Secretary of Yelahanka Club, Bangalore. So we are very happy for this with this your projects, and I would like to quote a few projects which are happening from our project, from our club. We are helping students of Acharya Institute of Technology and for budding entrepreneurs, and we also are having the project of called Aram, where we manufacture cloth pads produced by Grama Lakshmi, and they are distributed to our ASHA workers. And we also have face mask distribution we have been doing, and of course we have our best project of Kamadhenu, which we are blessed to have more and more contributions for this project. So yeah, here I end my talk. Thank you everyone once again, and we'll be very happy to be in association for all your projects and see what best from our club we can do to help these projects of yours. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Next, we are coming to next segment, which all participants are eagerly waiting for. What is this CLAP program? What it is? I mean, our Priya madam will brief, and she will explain what is the CLAP program, and she will brief. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Sorry.
sir.
Okay.
Am I audible to all?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Next event is brief from Priya madam. Over to Priya madam.
Thank you, Chandrasekhar. Am I audible and visible?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Wishing all of you a very happy Friendship Day. Rotary Bangalore Abilities is very joyfully and very proudly presenting the CLAP program, Communication, Leadership, Ability and Personal Growth, to the differently abled friends of our community. I'm very, very happy to inform that Rotary Bangalore Abilities in its Reach Out program wants to equip, empower, and also facilitate the differently challenged individuals, not only in the hard skills, but also effectively empower our friends into the soft skill training, which is what is going to make them a very, very successful person in their presentations. Along with their knowledge of technology or with their subjects, the student community is going to be presented, upheld because of their soft skill ability, that is including the writing skills, speaking skills, the leadership abilities, and many more. We have planned about 12 topics going forward, which is designed on every Sunday for the next 3 months. And we have over 75 participants who have registered. Very, very happy to inform that we will also be issuing certificates to those students who will complete all the 12 programs successfully. So with this, I very, very happily and very joyfully present the CLAP program. And I thank all the district officials, our co-presidents of other clubs, our mentors, and all of them, all our RBA team together. Thank you for presenting and planning for CLAP program. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. This is the segment all the participants are eagerly waiting for. And we'll move on to our next item. Next item is introduction of chief guest. I request Raghavendra to introduce Radha Krishna sir. Over to Raghavendra.
ಓಕೆ ಆಡಿಬಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ.
ಓಕೆ, ಇಂದಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳ ಪಂಕ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ PM ರಾಧಾಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸರ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ 3190 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೊಕೇಶನಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ನಾವು ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ನ ಗಮನಿಸೋದಾದ್ರೆ, ಇವರು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಸೂರು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯಿಂದ PhD ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಾ ಇನ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ XLRI ಜಮ್ಶೆಡ್ಪುರ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ಈ ಪದವಿಯನ್ನ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಇವರು ಸ್ವಿಟ್ಜರ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ತರಬೇತಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಜಪಾನಿನ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ತರಬೇತಿಯನ್ನ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ಗಳು, ಒಟ್ಟು 26 ಪೇಪರ್ಗಳು ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ಜರ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ 6 ಪೇಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಶ್ರೀಯುತರು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಪೇಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ದಾಖಲೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವರು ಒಬ್ಬ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಇವರು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸಂಶೋಧನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸರ್ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ವಿಚಾರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಶೋಧನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅನೇಕ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. NCERT ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಟ್ಟು 5 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನ ಆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ನೀಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡಾಲಜಿಯನ್ನ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರವನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಯ್ದುಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಇನ್ನು ಅನೇಕ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ರಾಧಾಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸರ್ ಅವರು
ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ರೋಟರಿ
ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಯಲಹಂಕ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಬ್ಗೆ 2004-05ರಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ 2009-10ರಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿನ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಇವರು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ 3190 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೊಕೇಶನಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಂತಹ ಒಬ್ಬ ಅದ್ಭುತ ಸಾಧನೆಗೈದಿರುವಂತಹ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನ ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡೋಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಅವರೇ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಧಾಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅವರಿಂದ ಅತಿಥಿ ಭಾಷಣ. ಐ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಧಾಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸರ್ ಟು ಡೆಲಿವರ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಂದನೆಗಳು ನನ್ನ ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ. ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ನಾಗರಾಜ್, ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶೋಭಾ, ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬ್ರಿಜ್ ಮೋಹನ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಅವರು ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಸರ್, and Shashikala Madam AG. Good evening, and good evening to all the Rotarians, good evening to all the trainees who have assembled here today. First of all, let me congratulate you, Rotary Abilities, for taking up this particular program, which is very much essential. And this kind of support activities is very much required for specially able people and also for others. So I would also suggest you to run one more program for general category of people also after this particular program. That would be wonderful thing. In fact, I also would like to bring greetings from Governor Nagendra Prasad for this wonderful event. I will talk to you about one situation. I mean, this is all about skill development. I just want to take you through the ants, how actually ants behave. If you give a colony of ants a week and a pile of dirt, they will transform it into an underground multi-storied building, which you can call as a city. This was actually demonstrated by a few scientists by pouring liquid cement into an abundant ant hill, and they actually looked into the whole thing, and they were amazed to see lot of rooms, lot of tunnels, storage space, everything. It was looking like a grand big city within the ground. And if you still see what else they can do, they can actually build living structures. If a line of ants are moving on a road, and if they actually see the road broken, they can actually immediately build a bridge after the other. And thirdly, they can actually, if there is a storm coming in, if there is a flood coming in, they themselves can convert it into a ball, and they can sail through, and they can remain safe. So I think we need to wonder how this tiny creature with such a tiny brain can engineer such kind of things. They say it is all because of the interactions between the ants, local interaction basically, and the skill that they have to carry out these things. For example, if you look at in detail building shelter, the ants actually picks up grains at constant rate, approximately 2 grains per minute, and they prefer to drop them near other grains, forming a pillar. And they tend to choose grains previously handled by other ants, probably because there will be some chemical pheromone which makes it communicate with each other. So all the ants coming together, bringing all the grains together, they create pillar, they create room, they create tunnel, and the structure is ready. Coming to how they escape floods in their habitat, they actually assemble themselves into a raft made up to 100,000 or more than that number of ants together, and it will be a buoyant structure which can be as large as football or much bigger than that, which can float because there is air captured inside. It will float. It can float for weeks together, enabling the colony to survive and find a new home. The only communication will be at the surface, and the deep inside ants, they may not be knowing what is happening. And as soon as ants sense the gap in the road, it starts to build a bridge, as I said earlier, which can reach a span of tens of centimeters and involve hundreds of ants, a bridge for other ants to move over. So once a structure is formed, the ants will maintain their position as long as they feel traffic overhead. Once traffic ceases to exist, they dismantle themselves as fast as they built it. So this is the beauty of the skills that the ants will be having. I mean, this is not specifically for ant. I mean, if you look at any other creature, they will be having their own inbuilt skills. You can look at the birds forming their own nest, taking all the waste which is around, or if you can look at the honey bee hive, beautifully done, architectural marvel. So these things are all, if you see, and if you come to human beings, I mean, we all should be having these kind of skills by birth. Surprisingly, we don't have, or we don't have that kind of environment with us. I mean, generally what happens is the parents will see that we are all well protected. They do not expose us to a lot of things. Therefore, we fail to learn a lot of skills early in our years. That brings to me one particular thing that I have seen: a 2-year kid put into water. I mean, we generally think they will just go in, but the kid floats. I mean, they will try to swim along, and they will try to pick up that particular skill early. So this is how the skills will be learned by everybody. Maybe these are education policies like that. I think new education policies there which actually support skill development at early age. I think that is welcome thing that is happening. While saying this, now within the human, there's a general category and the category of specially abled. And most of the trainees here are specially abled, and you may be always comparing yourselves with others that you are a bit disadvantaged guys. How do we cope up with other guys? How do we catch up with them? How do we prove ourselves? So to give a boost, moral booster to you, I will try to take you through a real story, the story of a gymnast, Jennifer Bricker. I don't know you have heard about this. She was born without legs. Below the waist, she didn't have anything, but it never let stop her. At the age of 11, she was a gymnastic champion, having fallen in love with the sport after watching Dominic Moceanu, who was a gold medalist for the US at the 1996 Olympics. So she saw Dominic Moceanu performing in the TV, and she fell in love with gymnastics. Though she didn't have 2 legs, she pursued that as her passion. Jennifer was few months old when she was adopted by Sharon and Gerald Bricker. That means she was given away by her biological parents for adoption. She had big brown eyes, a radiant smile, and huge amount of energy. Actually, doctor advised her adoptive parents to carry her around in a kind of bucket, but the parents said, no, let her grow like any other children. We are not going to use any buckets. So this is the kind of support the parents gave her. Jennifer soon learned to walk and run on her hands and bottom and grew up fearlessly. She was able to climb trees, bouncing on the trampoline with her 3 older brothers. All the brothers encouraged her that by having me, though it was scary, she was able to do all these things with the support of brothers and the parents. At the age of 3, she was fitted with prosthetic legs. Few days she used it, but she said, no, I don't want it. She moved more freely without. At school, Jennifer loved competing in ball games. She was there, right there with everyone else. And my parents, she says, didn't treat me differently, so I didn't grasp the concept that I was different. So She was thinking she is same like anybody else, and whatever others are doing, she can do it. She knew that she didn't have legs, but that was not stopping her from doing the things she wanted to do. The Brickers had always been open with her. The adopted parents are open with her about her adoption. She was from Romania, and that's probably good reason why the Romanian immigrant parents have given up for adoption, because they could not take care of her with the child without legs. Then Sharon and Gerald even encouraged her to understand her parents. So she learned about them. So she knew they are from Romania, and it was drawn to Dominic Mosinio. She was drawn because she saw the Dominic Mosinio performing in the TV, getting a gold medal. So why she was attracted to her, because she was looking similar, and it was so important to her that somebody looking similar, because that girl is also from Romania, and no one looked like me growing up. That is in Romanian kind of background. So she just saw herself in Dominic Moisiano. Moisiano and the women team went on to win the gold. At that moment, Jennifer actually decided she was going to be a gymnast too. The love, the support she got was amazing. And at the age of 10, she took part in the Junior Olympics. And by age 11, this girl with no legs was tumbling champion for the state of Illinois. But the real story begins now. When Jennifer was 16, she asked her mother if there was anything they had not told her about her birth and family. And they said, yeah, you know that you are from Romanian parents, and your biological last name would be Moisiano. So there was no doubting what that meant. Immediately she knew that why she is looking similar to Dominic, that means Dominic is her biological sister. So when she found out Jennifer wanted to get in touch with the Dominic, but she was determined to do it properly, she tried to call her parents. The parent acknowledged that, yeah, she is her daughter, but they never wanted to continue the discussion. Then Dominic tried other way. She tried to contact Jennifer. She wrote a letter explaining the situation and telling her how she had inspired her to take up gymnastics. And later on, both of them met each other and they were surprised to see each other. They grew in a different kind of environment. Both of them become gymnasts, one with leg, one without leg. And this is how you should be seeing the life. What is important is not having all parts of the body intact. What is important is the mind which says that, yeah, I can do it. I think that's the spirit you should be having. I wish Rotary abilities and all the trainees all the best. I hope you will go with this particular mindset and you will be beating everyone else and you will be reaching the top of your world. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you very much, Dr. Radhakrishna sir, for your inspiring speech.
Chandru sir, Srinivas sir will talk, it seems, next.
Next, I request Justin to introduce Srinivas sir. Over to Justin. Thank you.
Am I audible?
Yes, Justin, you're audible.
Okay. So, Secretary General Srinivas Murthy is a graduate from St. Joseph College and has done his master's in history. At the age of 25, he became the managing director of a paper manufacturing unit. He is currently the CEO of Abhivrud Associates, which is into power transmission and distribution. He was in Rotary Bangalore Pina from 2000 and was its president in 2011 and 12. He is a major donor and his family members are all Paul Harris Fellows. He has been the Director, Public Relations, an Assistant Governor, a Lieutenant Governor, and now is the Secretary General of the District 3190. He is active in SKCCI, YMCA, Bharati Vidya Bhavan, Karnataka Sahitya Parishad, and is also the Managing Committee member in Bangalore Management Association. He is married to Anne Vijaya and has 3 beautiful children, Prajwal, Preeti, and Pooja Rajashri. Ladies and gentlemen, Secretary General Srinivas Murthy.
Yes, Chandru, go ahead.
Thank you very much, Justin, for your introduction. Now I request Srinivas Murthy sir to deliver the speech. Thank you.
Very good evening and ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Thanks Justin for giving that introduction. And Rotarian Nagraj, Rotary Ability, Shobha, and Raghavendra and Brijesh, all the 4 clubs who are jointly. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Jointly organize this program. I'm very happy to learn that the point when Zahir Bata came, when I was the membership director for the District 3190, 3 years back, he wanted to create a club which is out of the box, and nowhere in the Rotary world such Rotary club should have existed. The idea was, well received, and we formed this club. And let's be honest, and let me tell you that the entire Rotary world, without your club presentation, without your presence,
पाठक का मैसेज आया आज फिर एम्बुलेंस आई है मैडम.
and but for Rotary Bangalore ability, the Rotary world would have been incomplete. And in general, District 3190 would have been incomplete. You have really added a feather to the cap of Rotary. Your presence is really meaningful to Rotarian journey. Few people have come forward to form this club, wonderful club, Rotary Ability. And I'm amazed to look at the spirit and the enthusiasm of all the Rotarian and the previous president, and especially current president Nagraj, going strength to strength in making this Rotary principles and vision more meaningful. And I thank this club Ability for bringing out this wonderful seminar on, which is known as CLAP. This will benefit a lot of specially able children, persons, and this is going to enhance the self-confidence, the talent, and the ability to interact and understand themselves and go beyond from an individual. And I'm very happy to know about this. And I'm very happy that our friend Rotarian Radhakrishna is a very meticulous planner. He is the vocational service director. He will do a great job, and he will please take his valuable information, knowledge. And we have another friend, Jagidar, is also a good person in especially skill development. And have another friend, Devadasan is with us, and Assistant Governor Shashikala is with us. And I'm happy to be a part of this program. And I never expected Rotary ability to go to this extent of, imparting knowledge and going beyond, certain challenges and being there in District 3190 as a shining and vibrating club. And your thoughts, your ideas are really great, and this will benefit great to the humanity. And I'm very happy that this club will go strength to strength. I wish you all the best. Let this program be benefited to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Next, I request
Chandana.
Chandana to introduce Kishore Jagirdar, sir. Over to Chandana.
Chandana, are you there?
Mute yourself.
Unmute, Chandana.
Am I audible?
Yeah,
yes, you are audible.
Okay. Hello, good evening, everybody. I'm here to introduce Kishore Jagirdar, sir. Kishore Jagirdar, Chairman, Skill Development Committee, District 3190. He holds MA Economics, MBA in Marketing, and Postgraduate Diploma in Human Resource Management. A strategic change management specialist, serial entrepreneur, and innovator. He co-founded InfoPace Management Private Limited in the year 1999 to cater to small and medium-sized enterprises with holistic support and management consulting. He has over 26 years of rich management experience. In the last 15 years, he has been assisting and working on various aspects of enterprise development strategies for the industry and initiated various programs on transformational change. He is a mentor and advisor to several mid-sized companies in India. Microsoft, Tata Sky, KPMG, HDFC, and many more, to name a few. He has also been an assessor in numerous competency development centers. He has presented research papers at several international conferences and handled over 8,000 plus seminars, workshops, and trained over 30,000 professionals. He has led change management business model, innovation, and organizational climate in mergers, acquisition, and also for the government in energy sector. He has delivered as a business coach, also delivered numerous workshops in India, besides internationally, especially in Asian region. He has promoted numerous startups and social micro enterprises and has mentored over 100 startups and incubations, over 230 innovations across Karnataka. He comes with deep experience in space of venture investment and debt finance.
Thank you.
He has been associated with or officiated as member of National Startup Council, ASSOCHAM India, New Delhi, 2019-20. Chairman Innovation, Entrepreneurship and Startup Committee, ASSOCHAM, 2016-2018. Karnataka Regional Council member, Executive Board of the India-Japan Global Partnership Summit, IJGPS 2011, a committee member of the International Initiatives by FKCCI, and he is also the past president of Rotary Yelahanka in the year 2014. Thank you so much, RBA, for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you very much, Sandana. Now I request Kishore Jagirdar sir to deliver his speech.
Thank you, Rotarian President Nagraj, and my respect to all the district leaders and the presidents of various clubs. Since the schedule is running behind the program, so I would like to just say a few words and allow the program to proceed. First of all, congratulations for this kind of fantastic initiative, which is a very rare kind of initiative which I have not seen for a very long time. And as Rotarian Srinivas Murthy mentioned, and Dr. Radhakrishna has already spoken about a lot of things which I had planned to share. So I would just make it a little bit more brisk and wrap up, what I want to say as a message. As Dr. Radhakrishna has already referred and given a damn good example of how change happens and how initiation and personal drive can bring transformational change in our lives. So with that, I would like to just say that in the last 20, 30 years, what we have seen is people have always been being recognized with something that is from the outside. Like, for example, I know how to use the computer, so I'm from the IT industry, so my entire recognition, my image building, everything is related to something that comes from the technology and the gadgets and something that is outside totally. And what we see is that in the current times, that is due to this corona and various shifts that we have seen, and the way life is changing and going towards in the next few years, beginning from now, there's a complete shift. And what is this shift? So if you look at it very clearly, now going way forward, introduction about yourself to the society, to the universe, to the world is more about who I am, what I can do as my ability, who I have identified myself to be. And from there onwards, I am creating a kind of a image building for the universe to recognize me. So it is no longer who is a flutist. Oh, he plays the flute. No, now it will be he plays the flute and is a great musician. So therefore, your inner talent, the inner capabilities, how do I bring it out? How do I create my image and how do I relate to the universe is completely changing in the coming months. And that requires a lot of understanding of what I can do and what is my capability, what is my natural gift and who I am. So what I would like to say is that no human being is born in this world, who comes into this world is perfect physically. Everybody has something or the other as a defect, something that is lacking. Now, even if I say I can see everything well, but yet why am I wearing a spectacle to try to see better? That means physically everything has a limitation, but the mind is so powerful, the mind is so capable, the mind is such a transformer kind of an energetic capability that we have. And if we hook to that, anything under the sky is possible. Anything can be achieved. You can, through your imaginative power, do anything that you want. So therefore, what I would like to say, though the universe physically puts all of us into limitations and says that, there are hurdles in our life, the ability to use our mind to solve the problem and
to go beyond these hurdles defines who we are. And that is the most critical talent now. That is the most critical skill now. That is the most critical ability now that is required in the next couple of months, in the couple of years. And that's what is going to change how we relate to the universe. So my dear friends, what I would like to say, the initiation that you have taken in this program on skilling and creating a rounded personality, a rounded ability. That means in any situation, I know how to respond. In any given hurdles, I know how to use my abilities. I may not know the answer or the solution, but I'll figure it out. Either by looking within myself or looking within the surroundings where I can get the support of this. But nothing can stop me. So ultimately what I want to convey, Rotary Bangalore Abilities is a platform which will make people unstoppable. You will know what you are made of. It is like being born again. So with this, I wish you all the best and wish you all the good luck. And I will, from my side, see what your projects are, and I will definitely, from my committee, extend the support to see that you come with flying colors through this year and change lives and touch people's lives and make difference to people's life with transformation. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging words. Now I request Hema to introduce Shashikala madam. Over to Hema.
I'm audible, right?
Yes, you
Yes,
are
yes.
audible.
Yeah. RTN AZ Dr. V. Shashikala, Charter Secretary in Jayanagar Greater Club in 2015. She became a president in 2017-18, received 30 awards and third place in District 3190. She has commenced honorary doctorate in 2018. She is black belt, martial art instructor and fashion designer. She is former national volleyball player and coach. She is the first woman representative in Karnataka Volleyball Association. She is the co-director in Jayanagar Fitness Club. Currently, she is the AZ in 2020 and 2021 in District 3190. Thank you.
Super.
Thank you. Now I request Shashikala madam to say a
Good
few.
evening. Can
Good evening.
am I audible?
Yes, madam.
Ma'am, I'll
Good evening.
request you to release the even newsletter, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Good evening, Dr. Rotarian Radhakrishna, Director Vocational Service. Good evening, sir. Rotarian Srinivas Murthy, General Secretary of District 3190. Rotarian Kishore Jagedar, Chairman Skills Development Committee. And Presidents, Nagraj of Bangalore Abilities, President Shobha, Platinum City, President Raghavendra Inamdar, Rajrajeshwari Nagar Centennial, and President Brij Mohan Yelahanka. I welcome you all once again for this wonderful CLAP training program, which is the first joint program initiated by Rotary Bangalore Abilities. It's a wonderful program for specially able people, very well planned for the coming year, keeping in mind the present situation to empower the specially able people to meet humanitarian needs. I appreciate your determination to bring in more opportunities for the most deserving people in the society. I'm privileged to be the Assistant Governor for this well-organized, vibrant club, Rotary Bangalore Abilities. The enthusiasm and involvement in performing meticulously, be it organizing an event or a meeting or a project, is just amazing. A big round of applause for you all. I look forward to seeing your club grow better and better and make our district 3190 proud. Clubs joining together for events help build a positive dynamic friendship. By doing so, they will improve their teamwork within the club and also with other clubs, which in the future help foster a sense of family and belonging. It will increase the profile of your club in the community and serve the new members. With this club program, you have discovered the pleasure in supporting a particular segment of a community in this current crisis. This is really amazing. I hope you continue to work with other like-minded people through this crisis. The society is changing, becoming more caring. You're already a valued part of that. Thank you once again for having me amongst you for this wonderful program. And now, can we release the club bulletin, President?
Yes, madam. Go ahead, madam.
Club bulletin, rotable for August 2020. Kranti, can we have this on the screen?
Alert, Kranti has started screen share. Alert, you are new.
Activities taken place during July 2020. Briefly, I'll just give a few remarks about it. Few programs like July 1st, they started with replantation and mass distribution at Shivanand Trust School in Kanakpura, and an article by President Nagaraj about the impact on COVID-19 on people with disabilities and how to deal with it. Then there's a beautiful article by Rotarian Anandi Vishwanath, immediate past president, which is Potluck at Paradise Shanti. Yeah. Yes. Then there is a drama, Aliyuva Munna, by Rotarian BG Srinivas Murthy. So this is one innovative way Rotary Bangalore Abilities have come up to bring out bulletin every month, giving opportunity for their members to bring out the talents within them. Each one has a different talents. So this is one great platform to showcase it, and it's really amazing. Yeah, that's it about the bulletin. Thank you very much.
Yeah, Chandru.
Thank you very much, madam, for your encouraging word and also for releasing our bulletin.
More options, better rules, alerts, the chat room within.
Thank you.
Now we are coming to the next part. Vote of thanks by our secretary, Rotarian Aravind. Over to Aravind. Thank you.
ಮಾತಾಡೋದು
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಏನಿದೆ, ಏನು ಕ್ಲಾಪ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಇದನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲೇಷನ್ ದಿವಸ DG ಅವರ ಮೂಲಕ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನವರು ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ಲಾಟಿನಂ ಸಿಟಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಲಹಂಕ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಾಟಿನಂ ಸಿಟಿ, ಯಲಹಂಕ ಮತ್ತು ರಾಜೇಶ್ 3 ಜನರು ಕೈ ಜೋಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಕೊನೆಯವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಭರವಸೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಅವರ ತಂಡವೆಲ್ಲ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಧಾಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅವರು ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ಸಹಕಾರವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೀಡಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಭಾಷಣವನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಧೈರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಸರ್ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾಗಿದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವೃತ್ತಾಂತವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅಭಿಮಾನದ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಿಶೋರ್ ಜಾಗೀದಾರ್ ಸರ್ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಮಾತುಗಳು ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಬಹಳ ಸತ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಶಿಕಲಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ AG ಅವರು ಜುಲೈ 1ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಸಂಪರ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ರೀತಿಯ ಸಹಕಾರವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಬೆಂಬಲವನ್ನು ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಿಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು. ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈ ಒಂದು ತರಬೇತಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡೀಲಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತರ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಸಿಗಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ತರಬೇತಿಯಿಂದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಅವರೇ.
Yeah, thank you everybody. So it was a wonderful session, and thank you for the district team and all the co-presidents for the wholehearted support.